We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flash started standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball down. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing babbles, and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet. And I was crying on the staircase and begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All that's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. We keep quiet 'cause we're dead if they knew. So close your eyes. Escape this town for a little while. Oh, oh, wish you were Romeo, I was Scarlet Letter, and my daddy said, stay away from Juliet, but you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there left is to run. I'll be the prince and you'll be the princess. A love story, baby, just say it. Romeo, save me. They're trying to tell you how we feel. This love is difficult, but it's real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out this mess. The love story, baby, say yes. I get tired of waiting, wondering where even coming around. My faith in you is fading. When I met you on the outskirts of town, and I said, Romeo, save me. I've been feeling so alone. I keep waiting for you, but you never come. In this my head, I don't know what to feel. He knelt to the ground and pulled out the ring and said, marry me too, yet you'll never have to be alone. I love you and that's all I really know. Talk to your dad, don't pick up her white dress. I'm not sorry, baby, just say yes. Oh, 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 oh. When I first saw you.